Hey guys, what's up? I know it's been a while, but I do have a video coming up explaining to you why it's been a while. So I'm just gonna get right into it. I'm starting off with my Too Faced Peanut Butter and Jelly palette. And I'm gonna be starting off with the color Peanut Butter. I'm gonna be using that as my transition shade because I am creating sort of a cut crease kind of look. And you know you have to start off with light colors and move on to the darker colors if you wish to do so. So I am moving on to the next color, which is Nuts About You, and that's pretty much like an orangey color, and it's pretty cool. It's kind of cute. Yeah, I consider this look kind of to be like kind of summery because of the colors that it does, you know, like that it has orange, you know, like the sun when it's setting and shit, you know, all that good stuff, mommy. So I am using my NYX Correct Concealing Contour as I always do, just to create the crease, the cut in the crease and all that, just to have a clean, nice, sharp line. Next, I'm going to be using my Rimmel Translucent Powder, and I'm going to be using that to set the concealer that I put on my eyes so I can have like a smoother base to apply my eyeshadow with. And I'm just going to be using actually the highlighter in this. I think it's a highlighter, but it's called Bananas. It's supposed to be rich and creamy or whatever, but I use it as a freaking eyeshadow. I think it's a highlighter, but I love it. It came out really pretty, so yeah, make it work, boom. Yes. And then of course I'm going in with my favorite liquid liner, which is from Sephora. I use the Precision Brush one. I do not like the felt tip one, so I got this for $12, which I think is pretty good for the freaking eyeliner. I love that eyeliner. It's not waterproof, but a bitch don't cry, so we Gucci, you know. Then I'm going to be using the Tarte Poreless Primer, I think it is. Timeless Primer, whatever. It's a primer that I pay a lot of money for, so you know I'm using it. And I'm just putting that all over my face. And then I'm going to be using this Revlon Colorstay foundation. I don't know what color it is. I think it's in color ginger or so. Yeah, I think so. And I'm going to be using my Real Technique sponge. Damn, that color really matches my damn skin for once. Then I'm using the MAC Prolong Wear Concealer. I think it's in NC25. And I'm just going to be using that to highlight a little bit under my eyes because, you know, I was really tired and I felt like I had like, you know, dark circles and shit. So I had to cover that boo because, you know, that ain't cute. And again, I'm using my Real Technique sponge to blend it out. Next, I'm going to be using my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette that my friend gave me from work. Shout out to Jessica, my dude, I ain't forget about you. I'm going to be using the color in the middle. I have no idea what the color is, so don't ask. And I'm just going to be using this brush by Morphe to, you know, put it on my cheeks. And then, of course, I'll blend it out so it won't be so harsh and stuff. Gotta put some on the forehead so it could look, you know, a little bit smaller because I got a big ass forehead, boom. I'm going to be using this Too Faced blush. I forgot the color. Of course I did. I'm so sorry, you guys. I came to do this road service so unprepared. But it's pretty. I use it in my other videos if that helps, and then I'm gonna blend it out. And then I don't know if any of you guys use this, but I use my Anastasia Glow kit. And again, I don't know the color. Of course I don't, because I don't have it with me. But yeah, I'm gonna be using my Glow kit, which I don't think anybody else uses anymore, but I love mine. All of my Glow kits are amazing, except for the big one. I forget what it's called. It just brings a lot of glitter. It brings like 6. But I put on my lashes here. That's what I'm trying to show you, because yeah, I put them off camera, because I put them on off camera because it's hard. But I'm gonna be using the color Jelly, and I'm gonna be putting that color under my eyes, and that's supposed to bring like a little pop of color, you know, like for summer. It's kind of like a sunset kind of look for me, but I like the sunset in the summer, if that makes any sense. Then I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild pencil, which I got for $1, you guys, $1. And I'm just going to be lining my eyes with them. It works for a damn $1. And my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, of course. And my ugly ass face that I make when I put on mascara. I know you do it too, don't even front. And then I'm going to be using my favorite lipstick of all, which is the NYX Soft. What is it? Nyx Suede lipstick in damn, what's the color? Oh my god, I forgot the color, but the lip liner is NYX in soft brown or brown. I think it's brown, yeah, and it's really pretty. I really forgot the name of it, and yeah, sorry guys, this is a horrible voiceover. You can tell I haven't done this in a long time, but that is the look, you guys. I actually created this look inspiring for summer. I did this a while ago while summer was approaching, but I just never had time to upload it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will be having some more videos out soon. I miss you guys so much. I will have a video explaining why I haven't been on YouTube, but I'll be back, and I am back, boo. So yeah, I'll catch you guys later. I love you so much. Bye.
Ella me agarró, ando en mi lugar, ella es incómoda, con un coro vendí, la puerta con Gandhi, zapato de Sharon, yo lo que quedo, mis zapatitos de Sharon.
Juana, dos ventanas, la familia nunca se me encampana, le doy hasta la jeva de mi pana, y a mí todo what you wanna do.
Nigga, that's when I told you.
When I was you, all I get is wild thoughts. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, 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 thoughts. Wow, wow.
Dime que tú vas lo que tú quieras. Dime que tú vas
Me gusta la pelota y juega basquetbol. Let me find out.